You must have heard in the news that the scientists have discovered a link in Pacific Ocean's flow and even say it's a matter of great concern. Guys, in this video we are going to understand the concept of ocean links, how does it occur, and the consequences on human beings living above the land. Guys, on 15th April 2022, it was reported that there is a hole on the surface of Pacific Ocean and it lies 80 kilometers from the coast of Oregon and 965 kilometers Cascadian subduction zone. So guys, through that hole, water is coming and has different composition from the regular seawater of Pacific Ocean. Later it was found that the water coming from this hole was 9 degrees warmer than the water around the hole, and it was fresh water, not salty water. Now this is where, guys, things got interesting. First of all, it was not unusual to find a hole in the ocean bed, but interesting, warm water is coming out of the hole instead of lava or magma, and it's fresh, not salty, guys. This hole in the ocean bed is called ocean link. So guys, on this video I've shown you the location, and now let's understand how it occurs. When you look at the map, we have Pacific Oceanic Plate and the North American Continental Plate. Now between the two, along the coast of the northern California, we have Oregon, we have Vancouver. You will find a minor plate called Juan de Fuca Plate. You can call it as well the microplate. So guys, it is a small tectonic plate subducting under the North American Plate. When two tectonic plates collide, one plate automatically moves beneath other in the process called subduction, guys. In this case, the Juan de Fuca Plate is smaller and subducting under the other plates in the zone, and this is called the cascadia subduction zone, which is about 965 kilometers long as you're watching the video. Now the question is, guys, why is Juan de Fuca subducting under the North American Plate? Well, this is where you have to understand, in between these plates, both plates are forming diverging plate boundaries opposite to each other, which is causing mid-ocean spreading. Now guys, it's due to divergent plates of the small plate being pushed under the American Plate, which is called, or which is under subduction process, and then this is what is happening for now. Now the zone is called the mega thrust area, and these areas are prone to many earthquakes, landslides, tsunamis, and geological disasters. If you look at different layers of the earth, on the top we have the crust, which is composed of oceanic and continental crust, and below we have the upper mantle composed of the thick molten rocks. Both the continental and the oceanic crust are floating on the layer of thick molten rocks, and that's the causing of tectonic drifts of the world today, guys. Now there is a fact between the crust and the upper mantle that there are many small as well as large pockets of water, huge, which is hidden under the two layers. After all, Earth is also made up of water, so it is urged that more water is trapped in the Earth's layers than water we see today, guys. Now when two tectonic plates collide, one plate moves beneath other in the process of subduction. So in this case, Juan de Fuca is denser amongst these plates, and therefore it is subducting under these other plates. The boundary of the areas weaken due to the intense heat and pressure. That's why you may also have experienced volcanic activities in the region. For example, cascadia mountain ranges in these areas are partly formed due to the reason above of the intense pressure formed in the region. Moments back, guys, I told you about the large pockets of water hidden in the Earth's crust, as you're watching in the video. So guys, it's due to the pressure from the subducting plates that causes faults and holes on the ocean bed. That's why water is coming out from the Earth's crust, and that's the reason why the water coming out from these holes is warmer than the water in the ocean of the Pacific, with also different composition, and as well it is fresh water, not salty water. Okay, so guys, there are consequences if water keeps coming out from this area. So due to large amounts of water hidden under the Earth's crust or mantle, it can lead to more earthquakes of about 8.5, 9.5 magnitude in the area. And there are many earthquakes that have been received in this region. Some are small with a small volume, others have bigger volume of over 9.5 magnitude in the area, but partly it's due to subduction and the pressure from the North American plate and the Pacific Oceanic plate. I hope you find this video informative, guys. Like, share and subscribe at Teacher Andrew Geography. See you guys in our next tutorial. Thanks so much.